The kids came running back to me once I told them I had some blackberries. The boys had found a skink. What is up, our YouTube viewers? Today I have the boys here with me and they are going on a bike ride and we're gonna see what stuff we can find on our adventure today. Stay tuned and let's see what we can get. The boys had found a skink. Wait. Let me see if I can zoom in on it, okay? So you can see it going across the ground.
It has a blue neck under it.
It's got like a blue underbelly to it. There it goes.
I never saw a skink out digging.
It was just running across the road.
The tail is too long for it to be around the nose.
See him?
Come on.
Hey, be aware. Oh. Be aware of your surroundings as you're trying to get this one.
Come back to me. Oh, there it is. Okay.
They're trying. Hey, well, we still have a long ways to go. We can see if we can find some more. Diver has found a grasshopper.
Oh, he's bleeding or something from his mouth.
No, he's trying to secrete some stuff so you let him go.
Oh.
Okay, the Matson Outdoors has spotted a creature going across the pavement. We're on the run. It is a gopher tortoise, it looks like, and it's crossing the pavement. They're on the track. They're on the go. Go, 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 go! And we made it. Okay, let's calm down. No touchy. We're gonna look at him.
You need some breakfast?
You eating some breakfast? Yep.
His belly's yellow. What?
So here we have a gopher tortoise. It is a protected and an endangered species here in Florida.
I never saw one that small before. That would be super small. Yeah, but that one's still like a little kid.
Good find, guys. High fives all around.
That thing was bucking.
It was booking it. Our third critter of the day. Aw, here's a cute little pond source. Decently clear water. I don't see any fish. Oh, I see some minnows, but nothing big quite yet. This kid just did a night rider. Rode his bike super fast, hopped off of it, let his bike crash to get a close look at a skink. Then ended up bolting off that way. We're now at the end. This is actually, if you were to follow this, it'll take you to Turkey Creek. So that's what we're going to follow. Well, I'm not going to go all the way to Turkey Creek, but we're going to follow this. Where? I don't care about the common lizards that we have around our house. Fisher caught one.
No, I wasn't talking about. Wait, let me see that.
Good job, Fisher.
Is that a girl or a boy?
Who taught you how to be a professional lizard catcher?
If that's a girl, and this is a boy. Excuse me, boy.
Hey, Fish. Who taught you how to be a professional lizard catcher? Who did it? Daddy did?
This one has some cool colors.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, no. I'm okay.
My bike. one out here?
No, you're not gonna take him on a bike ride. There you go. Don't run him over.
Hi.
And there it goes. Do, 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 do.
Where I'm going. Oh, Mommy, did you know at her house there's this...
Come across another gopher tortoise that's just hanging outside of the hole. See it right there? Up and there it goes. I spot a turtle. See him swimming. Starting to open up a little bit, but not much. We've spotted another tortoise out in the open. Don't scare him to back up into the water, okay? Just look at him from the sidewalk, please. Ooh, he's got a nice dark color on him.
He's a little bigger than the one that was found.
Look at this guy.
He's a much rounder.
Just out enjoying breakfast and enjoying life. Just spotted a little gopher. Look at him book it. Look at him book it. Ah!
Go, 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 go.
Oh man, that thing is hauling by.
Get out here.
There he goes.
There it is. Uh-oh.
Is he going right to his home?
Yep.
Oh!
It's the smallest one that we saw so far.
Thing was booking. Kind of starting to regret that I didn't bring a bike, but our vehicle's a little small, so I can't even fit our bike in it. But yeah, they're way up ahead of me. But they're doing so good. They're doing good. We're on our way back to go down that long runway back to the vehicle. So, yeah, but they're having a lot of fun. Definitely adventurous today. See them over there? And it is hot. They about drank all my water. I think it's cute. They're kind of off on their own little adventure, even though they're like about a football field away from me. They're doing really good listening. And then they stop at points for me to catch up on my walk. But yeah, overall they're doing real good and they're having a blast. On some of these things, there's little dips and stuff in the ground. So they kind of turn around and will come back and they'll go down the hill and go up and they'll turn around and do the same thing back. But yeah, they're having a ball. And it's cute to see. See, like they're sitting up there on the bench waiting for me. And there's that angry squirrel. Another gopher tortoise up there. Okay, let's approach this one quietly this time, okay guys? Just cruise along the grass, just eating. There he goes. Ah, run away. There he is. Yep, it is about that lunchtime. You know what sounds good for lunch? Subway.
We saw this one already.
We could have. I don't know.
He's eating some lunch, Diver.
What are we looking at? I see it. Okay. I'm gonna try to get in with the camera. That don't look like a grasshopper. That's a moth, I think. There it is. Okay, you see right there on the top of the grass pile? It's camouflaged into the ground. You can see his antennas.
Try to throw a baby rock at it. Right there, somewhere.
See it? Does anybody know what that is?
Yep. It is a grasshopper.
Is it a... Oh!
Fisher.
Yep, I guess it is a grasshopper. It has a fuzzy head. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. Good find, guys. I found some wild raspberries and blackberries. No way! Here's a blackberry. And here, oh, that one's gonna be turning into a blackberry. But look, like right over here, here's a wild raspberry and stuff. Oh, they're not quite ready yet. They're still a little hard. But this blackberry is nice and soft. I'm gonna go show that one to the kids. Obviously, I'm not gonna have them eat it until I clean it, but it is cool. Here's another blackberry. That one's ready. Ah, see if we can find some more. Look at all of them over here. What? This is a big blackberry. Oh, that one is nice and soft. Look at that blackberry. And then look at all the other raspberries and stuff that are around. What? I don't want to take a lot because, you know, this is for the animals. But I want the kids to try some. Ta-da! Got blackberries and raspberries. So the kids came running back to me once I told them I had some blackberries. And they're now trying to find them. We're gonna look up on the hill and there is another gopher tortoise. Let's see if we can get a close look at it. Even though you guys already seen like 5 of them in this video, it does not hurt to see another one.
4.
Oh wow, there goes a lizard. No, that's a skink. We just chased out another skink. I almost stepped on it. I chased out a skink. It's right there on the log. Up there. You guys aren't gonna get it in time. No, it's gonna... Ah, don't disturb the gopher tortoise. I found a huge millipede. Oh my goodness.
I hate millipedes.
I thought this was a snake at first, but if you can see, it's a millipede.
Can we touch it?
Different from a centipede because it's got more legs.
You can hold it.
I don't want to hold it.
Put your own stuff. You get sick.
Yeah, go find a stick. I could bring them out into the open.
But there won't.
Tried a recording of me taking the centipede, or I mean millipede, off the... Okay, wait. Get on the stick. Get on the stick. Get on the stick. Oh, no. Here, grab this stick.
Are they invasive?
I don't know. We'll have to look it up. Grab this stick. Oh man, look at all of his legs. Grab this stick. He wants everything but this stick. Ah! There!
Touching that.
Okay, Diver's recording right now. He's taking the lead role.
There it is.
Look how big it is. Look, this is my hand compared to it.
Oh,
Zoom out. No, zoom out. There you go. Okay, look at my hand compared to it. It's probably about 2 inches, maybe
Fisher, put your hand by it.
2 1/4.
That's Fisher's hand next to it. The millipede. I'm doing that. See, climb over. Whee!
I don't know how I seen that. Just so happened to look over there and I found it.
Hey, Fisher, be nice.
So yeah, we're gonna let them crawl on the stick and we're gonna put them back. So that way none of these bike riders run them over.
There he goes.
Ta-da! Just wanted to show you guys. That is cool. We found a centipede the last time we were out here. Now we found a millipede.
The centipede that I found was huge and pretty.
About the same size too.
Okay.
Bye. And on our way out, we come across another gopher tortoise. I think that's like our 10th one. So we made it back to the vehicle. The blackberries are slowly oozing and leaking out into my hand and turning my hand lovely purple color. But that was our adventure for today. I'm gonna go take the boys and get some ice cream right now. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube video, please subscribe to our YouTube video. Tell your friends and family about us. Also, what? He wants me to touch his wet hair.
No.
What? And Diver was trying to tell me a secret, but I couldn't hear him. But anyways, hit the like button, also hit that notification bell, and tune into our weekly updates. See you guys soon. Bye.